village lived a young boy named Sami. Every evening, he would watch his mother light a lantern before Maghrib. It was an old lantern, dented from years of use, but it shone more brightly than any other in the village. One night, Sami finally asked, "Mother, why does our old lantern shine brighter than the new ones in the market?" His mother smiled. "This lantern shines with barakah, my son. It only lights our home because we use it to help others." She explained that long ago, during a stormy night, a traveler had arrived in their village lost, hungry, and cold. While others closed their doors, Sami's mother lit this very lantern and guided him inside, gave him food, warmth, and a place to rest. "The traveler made dua for us," she said, "and every time this lantern is used to help someone, its light grows." Sami was amazed. Inspired, he took the lantern the next day and helped an elderly neighbor carry water to her home. That evening, when they lit the lantern, he noticed it glowing even brighter. Years passed, and Sami became known throughout the village as the boy with the lantern of kindness. Its light became a symbol of the Prophet ﷺ's teaching. The best of people are those who are most beneficial to others. And so the lantern stayed bright, not because of oil or fire, but because every act of kindness adds more light to the world.